Sinigang na Isda is a Filipino sour fish soup. Here's how to cook it. Ingredients: 500 g fish, tilapia, milkfish, or your choice. 5 cups water. 1 tomato, quartered. 1 onion, quartered. 1 radish, sliced. 1 bundle string beans. 1 to 2 green chili peppers, optional. 1 bunch kangkong, water spinach. 2 to 3 tablespoons tamarind paste or sinigang mix. Fish sauce or salt to taste. Instructions: 1. In a pot, boil 5 cups of water. 2. Add onion and tomato. Cook until softened. 3. Stir in radish, string beans, and green chili. Simmer for 5 minutes. 4. Add tamarind paste or sinigang mix. Stir. 5. Add fish and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the fish is done. 6. Season with fish sauce or salt. Let it wilt, then remove from heat. Serve hot.